Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the differences between the Minecraft movie versus the game. The movie. Minecraft. The movie.
I'm gonna cushion our fall with this water bucket! Release!
Minecraft. The movie.
Whoa.
Minecraft. The movie.
Anything you can...
Minecraft. The movie.
You can create!
Minecraft. The movie.
Hola,
That thing doesn't understand a word you're saying.
we're talking.
Minecraft. The movie.
Until one day... Flint and steel!
Minecraft.
Flint and steel!
The movie.
The Nether!
Minecraft. The movie.
If they get their way...
Minecraft. The movie.
Con Dios. It means goodbye, brother.
No, it doesn't.
Don't look at her. It does.
Minecraft.
Con Dios. It means goodbye, brother.
No, it doesn't.
Don't look at her. It does.
The movie.
If we want to save this world...
Minecraft. The movie.
Bye-bye. Those things work, right?
Absolutely! Coming in hot!
Minecraft. The movie.
Something for you.
Minecraft. The movie.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
Minecraft.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry.
The movie.
Let's do this.
Minecraft. The movie.
They want me to fight the chicken?
Chicken jockey!
Minecraft.
Chicken jockey!
The movie. Minecraft.